Hello, what is your name?
I'm Venice Maria Bisado, ma'am.
How old are you?
41 years old, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. 3 kids, ma'am.
How old are they?
14, 12, and 11, ma'am.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years and 11 months, ma'am.
Do you have any working experience in other
No, ma'am.
countries? Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years and 11 months, ma'am.
Where's your employer living in?
Taiwan, ma'am.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
6 floor.
600.
600, ma'am.
Okay, how many family members there?
5, ma'am.
How many children?
3 years old, ma'am, and 2 months baby, ma'am.
Okay, so 2 kids, right?
2 kids.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock, ma'am, until 9:30.
Okay, what do you do in the morning?
I wash my face first, ma'am, and then I prepare the breakfast, ma'am.
And then,
And
cleaning
then
the house?
Cleaning the house. And
Do you go market?
I go to market, ma'am.
Okay, and then you cook dinner what time?
I cook dinner time is 6:30, ma'am.
Okay, so what time they eat?
7 o'clock, ma'am.
7 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
9 o'clock, ma'am.
9 o'clock. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.